A new model of the chocolate wrapping machine with new features has been developed by the Amar Company. WCH200 wraps any chocolate piece quickly and smoothly, with the ability to adjust the wrapping paper length using a stepper motor and a PLC control. It can memorize up to 12 chocolate sizes for easy format changes. All mechanical linkages in WCH200 are driven by one axis, which leads to mitigation in sound, flexibility in work, and increase in speed. WCH200 is the only wrapping machine in the world that is driven by one axis. The process of wrapping starts by bringing the chocolate from the feeder, lifting it up to the mold, and then folding the paper from all sides. It's easy to replace the parts on WCH200, especially the molds. The process of changing molds takes less than 6 minutes using one key, and there is no need for any mechanical calibration.